Hello, my name is Mark, and this is my wife, Sarah.
Hi.
We're the inventors of the Silent Sleeper anti-snore system.
And one of the biggest problems that we've had is trying to convince people that something so simple works so well.
Yeah, well, it's worked for us, it's worked for people all over the world, and it'll probably work for you too.
And we know what it's like to worry about buying something that might not work.
That's why we have a money-back guarantee, so that takes that worry away.
So you got nothing to lose except for your snoring.
So if you want to learn more, check out our website. It's silentsleeper.org, silentsleeper.org.
Thanks for watching.
And I forgot my line. Okay, stop it and start it again.